Imagine the cosmos, an infinite expanse of stars, planets, and galaxies. A universe so vast, it makes our individual lives feel small, fleeting. We live on a tiny rock orbiting a star within a galaxy that is just one of billions. It's easy to feel insignificant in the face of all this. But is that a bad thing? For the Stoics, it wasn't. In fact, understanding the fleeting nature of our existence is key to unlocking a peaceful mind. Today, we are going to explore how the Stoic philosophy helps us confront not just the inevitability of death, but also the overwhelming vastness of the universe. The Stoics had a clear and direct view of mortality. To them, death was not something to fear, but something to accept as part of nature. As the philosopher Seneca said, it takes the whole of life to learn how to live. And what will perhaps make you wonder more, it takes the whole of life to learn how to die. Death is not a punishment or a tragedy. It's a return to nature, a return to the very cosmos from which we came. For the Stoics, being in harmony with nature meant accepting the cycles of life and death as universal and inevitable. But how does this apply when we look at the universe through the lens of modern science? The Stoics lived in a time when the cosmos was mysterious and largely unknown. Today, our understanding has grown tremendously, and yet the vastness of space has only deepened the sense of mystery. We now know that we are made of the same elements as the stars. This connection between us and the cosmos was something that the Stoics intuitively understood. Marcus Aurelius famously wrote, "All that you see will soon perish. Those who witness this perishing will soon perish themselves, but those who live on after them will also perish." In modern terms, we might say just as stars are born, live their lives, and eventually die, so do we. The atoms that make up our bodies were forged in the heart of dying stars, and one day we will return to the universe, perhaps becoming a part of a new star, a new planet, or even a new life form. The Stoics remind us that there is no need to resist this natural order. By accepting that death is simply a transformation, part of a grand cosmic cycle, we can release our fear. But what about the overwhelming scale of the universe? It's easy to feel lost when we think about how small we are in comparison. We're just one species on a tiny planet in a vast galaxy surrounded by a trillion other galaxies. Here again, Stoicism offers a valuable perspective. Epictetus advised, "Don't demand that things happen as you wish, but wish that they happen as they do, and you will go on well." Rather than feeling daunted by the vastness, the Stoics would have us embrace it. To them, the enormity of the universe is not a reason for despair, but a reminder that we are part of something much larger. The Stoic practice of focusing only on what is within our control becomes even more important in the face of the unknown. We cannot control the stars, the galaxies, or the expansion of the universe. What we can control is how we choose to perceive them. This sense of perspective is crucial. When we truly accept how small we are in the grand scheme of things, we begin to realize that many of the worries and anxieties of everyday life are equally insignificant. As Marcus Aurelius said, "You could leave life right now. Let that determine what you do, say, and think." This is not meant to be a morbid thought. It's liberating. It means that we should focus on what truly matters, living virtuously, being kind to others, and finding peace within ourselves. The Stoic approach encourages us to look at the universe not with fear or anxiety, but with awe and humility. And when we embrace this mindset, the vastness of space no longer feels overwhelming. It feels like home. Modern science shows us that the universe is still filled with unknowns. We don't know if there's life beyond Earth or what the ultimate fate of the cosmos will be. But Stoicism teaches us that uncertainty is not something to be afraid of. The unknown is simply part of life, part of the cosmic order, and the best way to face it is with calm acceptance. Just as the Stoics faced death without fear, we too can face the vastness of the universe with serenity. After all, we are not separate from it, we are part of it. So the next time you look up at the stars, remember that the same principles apply. Stoicism helps us confront both death and the universe by reminding us that we are not in control of external events, but we are in control of how we respond to them. Accept the impermanence of life, embrace the unknown, and find peace in the fact that we are all part of this vast, mysterious cosmos. If you found value in this exploration of Stoicism and the cosmos, and you want to dive deeper into these philosophical ideas, consider subscribing to the channel. We explore the big questions of life, death, and the universe, all in search for a deeper understanding of our place in it. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to look at the stars, but stay grounded in the present moment.